Welcome to House Lux Estate, your one-stop channel for all things innovation and entrepreneurship. Today, we dive into the exciting world of artificial intelligence startups. In our fast-paced, tech-driven world, artificial intelligence, or AI, stands as a beacon of progress, a testament to human ingenuity. Its popularity is skyrocketing, and it's no surprise. With its potential to revolutionize industries, from healthcare to finance, from transportation to entertainment, AI is the gold rush of our era. But how does one tap into this wellspring of opportunity? How does one navigate the labyrinthine path to creating a successful AI startup? That's where we come in. In this video, we'll break down the process, demystify the jargon, and provide you with a roadmap to success. So whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or a bright-eyed novice, this video is for you. Stick around to discover how to build a successful AI startup from scratch. First things first, everything starts with an idea. But not just any idea. It needs to be unique. It needs to be innovative. It should be something that either solves a problem or improves upon existing solutions. That's the cornerstone of building a successful AI startup. Now, having an idea is one thing, but it's equally important to ensure its viability. How do you do that? Through market research. Dive into the industry, understand the market needs, and identify any gaps. Who is your target audience? What are their needs? What are the current solutions available to them? Are they sufficient? If not, why? These are the critical questions you need to answer in the idea phase. Market research isn't just about gathering data, it's about understanding the data and extracting valuable insights. It's about identifying opportunities and challenges. It's about predicting trends and foreseeing potential roadblocks. It's about validating your idea. Validation is crucial. It's the process of confirming whether your idea has potential. It's about testing your idea against reality. You may think your idea is brilliant, but if it doesn't resonate with the market, it's unlikely to succeed. So, talk to your potential customers, get their feedback, understand their pain points, and see if your idea can alleviate them. Remember, the idea phase is not about rushing into execution. It's about laying a solid foundation for your AI startup. It's about ensuring that your idea is not just a fleeting thought, but a viable solution that can bring about a real change. It's about making sure that your startup doesn't just survive, but thrives in the competitive world of AI. Once you have a solid idea and have validated its potential, you're ready for the next step. Now, it's time to plan your journey. And trust me, this is no small task. The planning phase is where your dream takes shape, where your vision is turned into a roadmap. It's the stage where you draft the blueprint of your AI startup success. It's all about the business plan and strategy. Let's start with the business plan. A comprehensive business plan is the backbone of any successful startup. It's like a GPS for your journey, giving you directions on how to reach your destination. It includes everything from your mission, vision, and values to your detailed operational and financial plans. One of the most crucial aspects of your business plan is market analysis. Understanding your target market, knowing your competitors, their strengths and weaknesses, and identifying the opportunities and threats in your industry is vital. This information will guide your product development and marketing efforts. Next up is your business model. This is how your company will make money. Will you be a B2B or a B2C startup? Will you offer services, products, or both? Will you follow a subscription model or a one-time purchase model? These are some of the questions you need to answer in this step. Financial planning is another key element of the planning phase. It's all about budgets, forecasts, and financial goals. Remember, money is the fuel that drives the startup engine. Having a clear financial plan helps you manage your resources efficiently and keeps your startup on track. Finally, your marketing strategy. In the age of digital disruption, having a robust marketing strategy is not just an option, but a necessity. It's all about promoting your AI startup and reaching out to your target audience. Your strategy should include everything from branding and positioning to digital marketing and public relations. A well-thought-out plan sets the foundation for a successful AI startup. So take your time, do your research, and plan wisely. After all, as the saying goes, failing to plan is planning to fail. With a plan in place, it's time to execute. This phase is where the rubber meets the road. It's time to turn your dreams into reality and bring your AI startup to life. Your plan is your roadmap. But remember, no plan is perfect and you will need to adapt and pivot as you go along. Building the product is the first step. This is where your idea becomes tangible. It's crucial to keep the end user in mind during this process. Creating an AI solution that is user-friendly and serves a real need is what will set your startup apart. Be prepared for challenges and setbacks. They are part of the process, and overcoming them will only make your product stronger. Next, you'll need to assemble the right team. You're looking for people who share your vision and have the skills to help you realize it. Remember, a startup is only as strong as its weakest link, so hire wisely. Emphasize diversity in skills and thought. A team that can challenge and support each other will take you far. Managing finances is a crucial part of the execution phase. Be aware of where every dollar is going. Make sure your spending aligns with your priorities. It's easy to get carried away with ambitious projects and lose sight of your budget. So keep a close eye on your finances to ensure your startup remains financially healthy. Lastly, executing your marketing strategies is key to attracting customers and investors. This is how you'll get the word out about your AI solution. It's about more than just advertising. It's about building relationships, establishing credibility, and showcasing the value your product provides. Flexibility and adaptability are your best friends during the execution phase. Things will not always go as planned, but remember, every challenge is a new opportunity. So be ready to pivot when necessary, always keeping your end goal in sight. Execution is where your idea comes to life. It's where your journey truly begins. It's your chance to make a mark in the world of AI. So embrace the journey, learn from each step, and most importantly, enjoy the process. It's a wild ride, but one worth taking. Congratulations, you've launched your startup, but the journey doesn't end here. As we step into the growth phase, it's critical to remember that your startup's success relies heavily on its capacity to grow, scale, and expand. While launching your AI startup may feel like reaching the peak, in reality, it's merely a base camp from where the real climbing starts. Growth is more than just an increase in size or number. It's about expanding your capabilities, improving your offerings, and reaching new markets. It's about taking your startup from its current state and transforming it into a larger, more profitable entity. Scaling is a crucial part of this growth process. It involves increasing your operation's size or scope to handle a growing amount of work or a growing customer base. This could mean hiring more staff, increasing production, or expanding your services. But remember, scaling isn't just about getting bigger. It's about getting better. It's about improving your efficiency and effectiveness so that your growth is sustainable. Expansion, on the other hand, could mean entering new markets, launching new products, or even diversifying your business. It's about exploring new avenues for growth and taking calculated risks to achieve higher returns. And as you grow, scale, and expand, it's important to continuously learn, improve, and adapt. The AI industry, like any other, is constantly evolving. New technologies emerge, consumer preferences change, and market dynamics shift. To stay ahead, you must be willing to learn from your experiences, improve your strategies, and adapt to the changing landscape. Remember, growth is not a one-time event. It's a continuous process that requires consistent effort, strategic planning, and constant innovation. It requires you to be proactive, responsive, and resilient. It requires you to be a learner, a strategist, and a visionary. So, take a moment to celebrate your startup's launch, but don't lose sight of the journey ahead. Because the real success of your AI startup lies not just in its launch, but in its ability to grow, scale, and expand. Growth is a continuous process that requires consistent effort and innovation. Building a successful AI startup is an exciting journey filled with challenges and rewards. It all starts with a unique and innovative idea that addresses a specific need. The idea phase is all about brainstorming, researching, and refining your concept. Next comes the planning phase. This is where you establish your business plan, assemble your team, and secure funding. It's about laying a solid foundation for your startup. Then we move on to the execution phase. This is where your idea comes to life. You'll develop your product, launch it, and start acquiring customers. Finally, there's the growth phase. This is where you scale your operations, expand your customer base, and continuously improve your product. It's about taking your startup to the next level. Remember to subscribe to HouseLux Estate for more insights into entrepreneurship and innovation. Here's to your successful AI startup journey.